Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary approach to surgery that is changing the way we treat a variety of conditions: endovascular surgery. Endovascular surgery is a minimally invasive technique used to treat conditions within the blood vessels and other parts of the body. Unlike traditional open surgery, endovascular procedures are performed through small incisions, which significantly reduces recovery time and minimizes the risk of complications. During an endovascular procedure, surgeons use thin, flexible tubes called catheters, which are inserted through tiny incisions, often in the groin or wrist. These catheters are guided to the area of concern using advanced imaging techniques like fluoroscopy. Fluoroscopy is a study of moving body structures, similar to an X-ray video or ultrasound. Once in place, the catheter can be used to deliver various treatments, such as stents to open blocked arteries or coils to block off abnormal blood vessels. This precision allows surgeons to treat complex conditions without the need for large incisions. Patients often experience shorter hospital stays and quicker recoveries compared to traditional surgeries. Many can even return to their normal activities much sooner. Endovascular surgery is used to address a variety of conditions, including aneurysms, arterial blockages, and certain types of tumors. By utilizing this cutting-edge approach, doctors can offer patients a less invasive alternative with promising outcomes. So, what are the key benefits of endovascular surgery? Minimally invasive. Small incisions mean less pain and faster recovery. Reduced risk. Fewer complications compared to traditional surgery. Quicker return to normal activities. Patients often get back to their daily lives faster. Now several hospitals' skilled team of specialists is dedicated to providing the highest level of care through advanced endovascular techniques. They work closely with each patient to tailor treatment plans that best meet individual needs. Patients' experiences speak volumes about the effectiveness and comfort of endovascular surgery. If you or a loved one might benefit from endovascular surgery, contact us today to learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the latest medical advancements. Thanks for watching, and take care.